Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Quickly, let us take basic understanding of section 115 BAB, and after that we will talk about changes proposed by budget 2022. Government introduced favorable tax regime for new manufacturing companies and accordingly inserted section 115 BAB, offering a lower tax rate of 15% along with applicable surcharge of 10% and 4% cess, effectively making tax rate of 17.16%, which is much lower than comparative to other tax rates for the companies. And also, the company should have been set up on or after 1st October 2019 and has commenced manufacturing on or before 31st March 2023. What was the intention of this section? The intent of the introduction of section 115 BAB was to attract investment, create jobs, and trigger overall economic growth. However, the cumulative impact of the persistence of COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in some delay in setting up of new manufacturing companies and the commencement of manufacturing companies. Hence, in order to provide relief to such companies, it is proposed to amend section 115 BAB so as to extend the date of commencement of manufacturing from 31st March 2023 to 31st March 2024. This amendment will take effect from 1st April 2022.